Want to make sure no one can browse privately on your device using Chrome's guest mode? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to disable guest mode browsing in Google Chrome. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to close out guest sessions, making your Chrome browser a little more secure and under your control. Alright, let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser, but make sure it's actually in guest mode. If you're not sure what guest mode looks like, it's usually a simplified window, and you'll see in the corner that it says guest. This mode is meant for temporary browsing when someone else wants to use your computer but doesn't have their own Google account. The main thing you should know here is that guest mode won't save any browsing history, extensions, or cookies. So anything anyone does in this mode stays private and won't show up when you return to your regular profile. Now, to disable guest mode browsing, your goal is to close out the guest profile entirely. Here's how you'll do that. In the top right corner of the Chrome window, look for the 3 vertical dots. This is Chrome's menu button, sometimes called the More button. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. When you do, you'll see a list of options appear. Hover your mouse over where it says Guest. You don't need to click yet, just hover. Take a moment and watch the options change. One of them should say, Close this profile. Go ahead and click that. At this point, Chrome will immediately close the guest browsing session. You'll notice the window disappears, and just like that, guest mode is turned off, at least until someone decides to start a new session. What this effectively does is end the private browsing session, so nothing can be hidden from your regular profile any longer. If you're helping a family member or a friend use your computer and you want to keep things tidy, this is a good habit to get into. Now, there's actually another way to do this that's even quicker. Take a look at the upper right part of your browser window. You'll see an icon that looks like a little person. That's the guest profile icon. Just click on that icon once, and a menu will drop down. Here, you'll see an option right away for Close Guest. Go ahead and click it. The effect is the same. The guest mode window shuts down, and you're brought back to your normal Chrome profile or desktop. Either technique, using the 3 dots and hovering over Guest, or the guest profile icon, gets the job done in seconds. If one doesn't work for you, try the other. Sometimes Chrome's layout can change ever so slightly, depending on your operating system or the current version you're running. Don't worry if you don't see the exact wording right away. Look for something similar, and you'll usually find it. And that's it. You've just disabled guest mode browsing in Google Chrome. No more secret surfing sessions. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. I do my best to respond and help folks out. Make sure to subscribe for more clear and friendly tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.